My career goal is to eventually have my own salon doing hair. At school I wasn't the academic one and I always was more practical with things. When I came to college it was like this a new door opened and I can actually do something that I know I'm going to be good at and prove everybody wrong.
In the practical sessions we usually do things like eyebrow tinting, eyelash lifts, waxing, makeup, nails, tanning, so we'll do like spray tans and a manual tan.
We've learned our cutting, haircuts, colours, highlights, balayages, and every time we go to a new unit we learn the theory for that and we learn the practical alongside with it.
It's given me a lot of social skills and dealing with different types of people, different body types, different hair types.
When you're speaking to clients it's very important to know like exactly what they want.
And that kind of develops our consultation skills, what they want, what they're expecting to leave with.
It's just nice because you can give people a confident boost and it's just doing the treatments and seeing clients happy. It just makes you feel good.
It's like you're actually being told step by step how to do something. My teachers have been really good with that and like teaching me actually you don't have to panic, like you can do it step by step.
You learn your techniques, you learn your brushes, and you get to learn a bit more about how to sell products to clients.
Not long ago we had Colour Matrix, they came in and they talk about their whole entire colour range and what their products do for someone.
We got to experiment with colours and how colours would come out, which was really fun.
It's really real, like I work in a salon now and I know that I've learnt so much from the college that I can go into that salon and be like, okay, I can actually do this for you. It really does prepare you to go out to the big world.